Medyo parang amoy ihi siya. I'm just gonna do it. You don't even know me like that. Ayan, so what is up you guys, it's your girl Maeia. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, I'm gonna be coloring my hair green. But before we start with the video proper, as promised, we'll be having a giveaway, so make sure to watch this. So before we start with the video proper, I just would like to show you the things that I will be giving away to you guys. So first is I will be giving away this Kulisi Decolor powder, 450 grams. So this is a bleaching powder you can use to bleach your hair. Marami siyang laman, so surely tatagal to sa inyo. Makakailang gamit pa kayo bago nyo to maubos. And then of course, hindi naman pwede na bleach lang. So sasamahan ko din yung ating giveaway ng oxidizer, which is itong 100 grams na oxidizer. So yung ganto ko, which is eto, ayan, nakailang gamit pa ako nito, mga 6 to 8 uses bago pa siya maubos. So ayan, hanggang dito yung laman, punong-puno pa yan. And by the way, itong pinili ko is 9% volume. Kasi kapag ka 6%, hindi masyadong lilitaw yung kulay. And kapag ka naman 12% is baka masyado kayong mahapdian. So pinili ko yung 9% para nasa middle lang tayo. We also have here hair color. Ayan, 2 pieces of hair color from Bremod in the shade metallic gray. Ayan, metallic gray. So, kung meron sa inyo gustong mag-ash gray dyan or metallic gray, then this is the perfect color for you. Kasi favorite brand ko yung Bremod. So, ayan. Ito yung mga ipapag-giveaway natin. Ayan. Bleach, oxidizer, and hair color. So, if you're interested to join our giveaway, here are the mechanics. First is, you must be subscribed to this YouTube channel and like this video. Second, follow me on Instagram at Maeia Ursuan and my shop at La Ursuana. For our third mechanic, you must comment down below your favorite hair color video of me. I actually have 6 hair color videos uploaded in my channel, so you choose one from those. And also, in your comment, include your Instagram username and your location. And bonus points if you're gonna share this video to your Instagram stories. So, ganun lang kadali. Yun lang ang mga mechanics, and the winner will be announced once we reach 2,200 subscribers. So, ayan, sana sumali kayo dun sa giveaway natin. Anyway, let us proceed to the hair coloring session. So, for today's session, ang gagamitin kong product is the Sunbright Series Hair Color in the shade 0.77 green. Ayan. So, packaging-wise, andito na yung mga cautions, mga precautions, directions, and notes that you need to know, including the ingredients of the product. So, it's very informative, very beginner-friendly itong product na ito. And then, if you're gonna open it, this is how it looks like. Para siyang hair color tube. The usual hair color tube. So, bakit ko ba naisipang mag-color green? Anyways, green kasi yung nails ko. Ayan. Shoutout sa mama ko for these nails. So, naisipan kong i-green na lang din yung hair ko. So, since hindi naman pwede na hair color lang yung gagamitin natin, we have to mix it with an oxidizer. So, this is my oxidizer. 9% din to. I bought this one for 155 pesos. And halos lahat ng video sa channel ko, ito yung gamit kong oxidizer, siguro 5 of which. So, we're gonna be mixing itong collage hydrox and itong hair color for our mixture. So, dating gawi, we have here this disposable Tupperware. I'm gonna be using this one. And then, I also have here disposable plastic gloves. Ayan, because I don't have the latex gloves with me. Ayan, i-mix na natin. Let us first open this one. Ayan. Oh. So, this is the hair color. Ayan. It's how it looks like. So, mimixan na natin siya nitong Bremod Collage Hydrox. I'm not measuring it. I'm just eyeballing everything. So, yeah, there. Magsusot lang ako nitong disposable gloves para safe naman yung ating kamay. So, ayan. Let's mix these two. Ayan. So, when you're gonna color your hair, dapat yung suot mong damit is yung okay lang na magkamansya. So, make sure to wear your pambahay. So, ayan, ito na yung ating mixture and ilalagay ko na to sa aking hair. By the way, hindi ko sure kung kakasya to kasi mahaba kasi yung hair ko. Ayan. But yeah, let's try our best. So, ayan, let's start. So, if you guys have been watching my hair coloring videos, you would know that I do not section my hair. And at the same time, hindi din ako gumagamit ng brush. So, kinakamay ko lang siya like this. So, bibilisan ko lang to kasi may class pa ako by 1 p.m. So, ayan guys, tapos na ako sa isang side and tama nga yung hinala ko nga nagkulang talaga tayo sa green, sa hair color natin. Kasi, hindi pa ako tapos sa isang side pero paubos na yung ating mixture. Anyways, ayan, mag-proceed na tayo sa other side. So, sa nakikita ko, super pigmented naman yung result. So, hopefully, hindi siya maging patchy. Ewan ko lang kung ako lang to, pero bangong-bango talaga ako dito sa Sunbright Series. Like, yung Bremad kasi is medyo parang amoy ihi siya in the long run when you apply it. Pero ito kasi parang ang bango-bango lang. Alam yung ganong feeling. Or baka ako lang yung ganito yung feeling. Isa din sa napansin ko is that kapag ka green talaga yung ginagamit kong color is ang ingay. Sobrang kalat ng green. Kasi grabe yung kapit niya. Look at that. Oh, hindi pa nga ako tapos. Nag-gloves na nga ako pero naglilik pa din siya sa kamay ko. So guys, hindi pa nga nagti 30 minutes pero nakakita ko na yung result niya. So guys, itong natitirang mixture is ilalagay ko lang sa mga part na medyo patchy. So ayan guys, tapos na akong mag-color. Ayan. And then, i-wrap ko lang tong hair ko ng plastic cellophane kasi wala akong shower cup. And then, hahayaan natin siya for 30 minutes bago natin i-rinse. So, ayan, as expected, sobrang kalat nga, ayan. And then, it's all over my neck. Ayan. Pati sa shirt ko and sa paa. Wait, papakita ko lang. So, guys, update. Habang naghihintay akong mag 30 minutes bago ko i-rinse itong color na nasa hair ko. Nag-brown out pa talaga. Anyways, wala naman akong nararamdaman na hapde or init. Which is unusual kasi kapag nagko-color ako ng hair, may hapdi effect and init effect talaga siya. Pero eto wala. And then, pansin ko din na kahit hindi pa nag 30 minutes is parang nag-iiba na yung color ng hair ko. Ayan, nakikita ko kasi siya sa cellophane. And hindi ko sure kung anong green yung magiging result niya. Pero hopefully, same lang ng nails ko. Ayan. Hopefully. Anyways, pahabol ko lang din if gusto nyong mag-color ng hair nyo, make sure to do skin testing 24 to 48 hours before you use the hair color. So, ang gagawin nyo is magmi-mix lang kayo ng hair color and yung oxidizer and then ilalagay nyo dito sa likod ng tenga because medyo sensitive yung part na yan. If ever may allergic reaction na nangyari, please do not proceed with the hair coloring. Sa case ko kasi as hindi na ako sa skin test because Diyos ko naman nakailang hair color na ako sa tanang buhay ko. So ayan guys, tapos na 30 minutes. I-rinse ko na tong hair color sa buhok ko and then isasabay ko na lang din siya sa pagligo ko. And then ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang final result. that is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next video. Bye!
You don't even know me like that.